these hens over here, some kind of Bantam chicken. They just love to go broody. What you got over there? Let me see. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna give her some duck eggs to sit on. These I'm gonna feed to my pig. Four? They'll lay eggs anywhere. Soft. They're kind of wild, these little hens. We're hoping they can just lay eggs without giving them any food. They're just gonna pick up what the pigs spill. There's alfalfa growing, and I'll give them some corn here and there just to keep them around. But the goal is to have these hens make eggs with as little input, extra input as possible. See, there's another one sitting. They just go broody like crazy. What you got? This is a stick up. Get them up. Excellent. That's it. Oh, this one. I'm gonna steal her little eggs and give her some duck eggs to hatch out for me. There are, I don't know, maybe look at this black one. Isn't she pretty? There are, I don't know, 40 hens in here maybe? Not quite. Most of them adult. Some still not laying yet. What do I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Two of these are the size of one large egg, regular egg. I could give her rocks and she'll sit on them till she dies. I swear. They're crazy brooders. We'll film this thing in the daytime so you could check it out in all its glory. Oh man. I got, I don't know, I lose count. 11, 12 piglets running around. Yeah. We fed some to the dogs. So, Sferia, I guess. I don't really watch his shit, but from what I hear, what I could deduce from some of these titles to some of these videos, the man's batshit crazy. No shit. Uh-oh. Gotta feed the pig. Apparently he was trying to start a farm somewhere in Romania with some of the people, perfect strangers, I guess. Look, man, even if Sferia were 100% normal, the chances of something like that succeeding are very, very slim. This is the type of shit you do with close friends, family, people who you know don't mind working hard, okay? So, yeah, Sferia's probably not the kind of guy for this type of shit unless he grows up or deals with whatever issues he's got. But insofar as anybody out there thinking of doing something similar, I mean, I'm probably just preaching to the choir because the idea just sounds so crazy to me. Yeah, this shit ain't easy. You can't just get a bunch of randoms off the internet, move to fucking Romania. I mean, I'm sure that's worked out for somebody who is just extremely lucky or has excellent energy. That's another thing. Like, Sveria, I mean, what kind of people does he attract, right? Probably people who aren't very discerning. They don't discriminate enough. Maybe they're a little bit too trusting, naive, dumb, inexperienced. Just their brains aren't fully developed. I mean, yeah, what can you really say about that? Clearly, the man got issues, and I hope he can work through all that shit. Wish him nothing but the best. But if he's listening, or if anybody got his is in his ear and could tell him this, man, yeah, grow a pair of balls, bro. You can't be doing that shit. If you love your woman, take care of her. Stop being or if it's not meant to be, then it's not meant to be. But if it is, and you love her and she loves you, grow the fuck up, man. I'm not saying I don't know shit about these people. I'm not saying La Luna is perfect, but I mean, uh, for a guy like Sveria, come on, bro. Like, you take care of that. I'm not trying to objectify or anything, but come on, man. Ask any man out there. You take care of that woman, all right? You do your best to make her better, cause, homie, the way you be acting and looking, and you're never gonna get another chance like that. I could guarantee you that. So it is what it is, my peeps, and the shit ain't easy. But you gotta stop pointing your finger at others and really work. No matter how good you may be, how perfect you think you may be, and I'm myself far from that. But no matter where you're at, you could probably always work on yourself a little bit. And unless you do that, ain't nobody gonna take care of you, right? Not like you can take care of yourself. So yeah, you just gotta grow the fuck up, my man. Sveria, you just gotta grow the fuck up. See if you got a pair of balls left, grab them and man the fuck up, man, cause you fucking up, homie. You fucking up. Anyway, we're gonna check out some piggies eventually, and this chicken coop in the daytime maybe. But for now, I guess I gotta make my pigs dinner, so let me get to it. Have a good one.